So for this problem, a negative 24 microcoulomb charge is placed at the origin and a positive 18 microcoulomb charge is placed 1.6 meter to the right of it. So what is the magnitude and the direction of the electric field 4 meters to the right of the origin? So if this is the origin and we have this negative charge, and that is 24 times 10 to the power negative 6, because this microcoulomb is times 10 to the power negative 6, then we also have this positive 18 microcoulomb charge to the right of this charge. So from the right of this charge and the range is 1.6 meter. So this is 1.6 meter. So we have this positive charge, and that is 18 times 10 to the power negative 6. Then to find the magnitude and the direction of this electric field. Now take note, 4 meters to the right of the origin. So since this one is the origin, so to the right, then the range is 4 meters. Now take note that this electric field or the test charge is always positive. So this is now the test charge. So to find now the magnitude and the direction, so if we name this one as charge A and this one is charge B, so first we need to find the electric field for charge A and the test charge. Now take note that this test charge will attract to charge A because charge A is negative. So therefore the direction of this electric field is to the left. Then to find out the electric field, so using this formula, so we have K is the Coulomb's constant times the given charge over the range squared, and K, or the Coulomb's constant, is 9 times 10 to the power positive 9, then times Q, or the charge for charge A, so that's 24 times 10 to the power negative 6, then the range, so the distance from A to the test charge, and that is 4 meters, so over 4 to the power 2. So to find out the electric field for A, so first, just multiply these two numbers. So we have 9, then times 24, then divide by this 4 to the power 2. So divide by 4 to the power 2. So this is equal to 13.5. Then for these exponents, so we need to add these two exponents. So we have 9 plus negative 6. So this is equal to positive 3. So therefore, times 10 to the power positive 3. Then the unit for this electric field is Newton per coulomb. So this is now the electric field for charge A. Then this time we need to find out the electric field for charge B. So we have B and the test charge. Since test charge is positive and B is also positive, so therefore this one is repel. So the direction for this electric field is to the right. So therefore, the electric field for B, the direction, is to the right. Then to find out the electric field for B, so we have the Coulomb's constant. So 9 times 10 to the power positive 9 times the charge for B. So that's 18 times 10 to the power negative 6. Then for the range, so to find the range from B to the test charge, so since this one is 4 meters, and this one is 1.6. So therefore, this is 4, then minus 1.6. So the range from B to the test charge is 2.4. So the range is 2.4 then to the power 2. Then to find now the electric field for charge B, so we have 9 then times this 18, then divide by this 2.4 to the power 2. So this is equal to 28.13. Then again, add these two exponents. So this is equal to positive 3. So times 10 to the power positive 3. Then the unit for electric field is Newton per coulomb. So since we have now the values for A and B, so we can find now the net electric field by adding these two electric field. Then to find out the net electric field, so observe for charge A, the direction is to the left. So therefore, this electric field becomes negative. So we have negative 13 times 10 to the power positive 3, then plus for electric field for B, since to the right, so this one is positive. So this is positive 28.13 times 10 to the power 3. Then to find out the net electric field, so we have negative 13.5, then plus this positive 28.13. So this is equal to 14.63. Then just copy the exponent because these two exponents are equal. Then again, the unit is Newton per coulomb. So for the direction, since this one is positive, so the direction of this net electric field is to the right.